going to be a fun race. So I'm going to warn everybody here who's over 21, there is a bar, take it easy. All right, this is a 2-day event, all right? We're here to have fun, we're here to fly. We don't want to have to shut you down and tell you you can't fly, all right? So I've made that warning, everybody's warned.
What's up guys, Johnny here, welcome back. Coming to you from the Buffalo Bando race out here in Buffalo, New York. The guys behind me are currently setting up the track, running the outside Bando track. We currently got practice going on inside on an indoor track, a very tight technical track. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of miscommunication apparently with the scheduling for this event. So on our track, they're actually having some sort of a dinner today until 4 o'clock. So we won't be running qualifying until 4 o'clock days. We're just supposed to start at 10, now we're starting at 4. The real concern out here though is out here where the main track, the main event, the top racers, the mains, we're expecting thunderstorms, lightning during the racing. So we'll be able to fly it today for sure, but we may not be able to use it for the mains. Time will tell, we'll see, but we'll see how it goes. What's up, Air Badger? All right, let's see how it goes. You know those commercials when they say, "Want to get away?" That's right now. I come up here by myself in the stands just to get away. Have a real rough day, breaking all sorts of quads. I got 2 totally done for the day. ESC's burnt up, flight controller's burnt up, down to 2 remaining quads. I need to keep them working just to get my qualifying times in. I did all right today qualifying. I think I was in 8th position in the practice qualifying. So as long as I can keep up with something like that, make the top 16, I'll be a happy guy. That's my goal. Keep the 2 quads working, get those laps in. You know, I wish that the one I could use, that the laps I did with practice, I wish I could use those same quads, but unfortunately those 2 are the ones that are dead. So anyway, I'm just gonna hang out here, enjoy what I can. The cool thing is we're actually running the full track now. We had a dinner in the other side, then we had We had like a climbing area through the drone course. We had a zip line through the drone course. All that's finally shut down. It's about 5 o'clock. We're getting some qualifying. Luckily, we can go till midnight. So we should get 2 full rounds of qualifying in and get ready to kick some ass tomorrow. It's also been raining out on the Bando course, but the Bando course is kind of fun. It's brutal on the quads. Broken a lot of things. Got mid-aired, that did one to it. One, I forgot the way to go, hit concrete. It's just been rough. Anyway, we're gonna sit up here, watch the racing, learn off the full track, because we haven't seen the full track with qualifying yet, and go from there. Alright guys, I'll say fun day at the Bando, but a day at the Bando. I realized a bit late my mic was running hot. I totally forgot about that, so a bunch of my audio earlier probably got garbled. So anyway, today basically the way things turned out for me, I think I finished in 6th place qualifying, which is alright. I really feel like I started to get my lines out at the end. Unfortunately, I had a mid-air at the end with JT. Otherwise, I think I might have got 7 laps. And getting 7 laps would have been great. That's where I want to be. So I think 7 laps is possible. I plan to pull that off tomorrow. Even after the mid-air and a 45-second lap, I got back up, started getting 19-second laps, and it felt pretty good. So the biggest issue for me has just been damaging equipment. I've gone through so many quads, destroyed canopies, destroyed 2 ESCs, destroyed 2 motors, destroyed 2 arms. It's just been a really rough day. I destroyed 4 batteries, rebuilt my quad 5 times. It's been a tough one. Yeah. Anyway, We'll be back tomorrow. It's been a bit of a tough day. Lots of rain today. It's supposed to be lightning storms, thunderstorms, more rain tomorrow. But this venue is absolutely amazing. We got a wedding going upstairs. We got 2 bands, live bands playing. We got an arcade going on in a bar. Just really cool spot. The only thing that's been tough is the video's been really, really rough. Lots of multi-pathing. I've been running the rapid fire and the ground station. Neither one is really better than the other. They're both about the same. I wish there was a better option for radio, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, get some rest, come back early in the morning, get my practice packs in tomorrow. We got 3 rounds of qualifying, then mains. I really just wanna make it in the top 16, get to race heads up, and hopefully I can pull something together and do all right tomorrow. Anyway, I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.